Hi to all, I am Narendra. I am going to discuss orthogonal trajectories. Before this, if you like my video, please share and subscribe. So, let us discuss orthogonal trajectory. I want to explain the definition briefly. So, I am taking bunch of curves. Bunch of curves means family of curves. So, and also let me take another line like this. So from figure, what can we say that? We can say that here the line is perpendicular to each curve, isn't it? The line is perpendicular to each curve. That means the line makes 90 degrees with each curve. So that means the line is orthogonal to every curve. The line is orthogonal to every curve, so that the line is called orthogonal trajectory. This is the very small definition for orthogonal trajectory. Now, here orthogonal trajectory problems are two types. They are find the orthogonal trajectories for Cartesian coordinates, that is the first one, and second one is find the orthogonal trajectories for polar coordinates. I want to explain first one. Find the orthogonal trajectories for Cartesian coordinates. For this we have working rule. So working rule. So this is the working rule to find the orthogonal trajectory of given family something. So the first step is, if the given family of curve is f of x comma y comma c equals 0. This is equation 1. This is the family of curve. Now here we can observe we have x, y, c. X comma y are variables and c is the parameter. Remember this. Now second step. So differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. We have to differentiate equation 1. This one. We get some equation. So from above equation, from above equation we have to eliminate parameter c. Then if we get the equation like this, f of x comma y comma dy by dx. This is the another equation after eliminating the parameter. Fourth point, we have to take in this equation dy by dx equals minus dx by dy. So we can write, after substitution we get f of x comma y comma minus dx by dy equal 0. This is the equation 2. After solving the equation 2, we get general solution of given equation. That means we get orthogonal trajectory of given family. This is the procedure of solving the problems. So let me take one problem here. So problem. So I want to take very easy problem for more understanding. So problem, find orthogonal trajectory for parabola y square equal to 4ax, where a is parameter. This is the problem. So this is the given family of curves. We have to find orthogonal trajectory of this one. So now solution. So given family or family of curves, given family y square equal 4ax. Let this is equation 1. So we can observe here a is parameter. So our target is a. We have to eliminate a. So differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. This is the second point in our working rule. So y square derivation 2y into y derivation dy by dx equal 4a constant into x derivation 1. Isn't it? So 2y into dy by dx equal 4a. Let this is equation 2. We can observe 4a equals something. We can use 4a equal 2y dy by dx. Then we get rid of a, parameter a. So from 1 comma 2, from 1 comma 2, y square as it is equal 4a. 4a equal 2y into dy by dx into x. Both sides y cancel. And also replace dy by dx equal, replace dy by dx equal minus dx by dy. Okay. Right. So y equal 2 into dy by dx equal minus dx by dy into x. Isn't it? After cross multiplication, y into dy equal minus 2 into x, 2x dx. If you get minus 2x dx in left side, we can write 2x dx plus y dy equal 0. So this is clearly integrable. 2x dx plus y dy equal 0. It can be solvable. We can solve for variable separable. So integrating on both sides. So integration 2x dx plus integration y dy equal c. So 2 constant, integration x dx, x square by 2 plus integration y dy, y square by 2 equal c. Finally, we can write 2x square plus y square equal 2c. 2c or c. So this is the required orthogonal trajectory of equation 1. This is the process of problem, orthogonal trajectory problem.